The Shell Deer Park site is a fully integrated refinery and petrochemical facility.
We first started looking into drones in the summer of 2016. We were first of its kind where Shell employees are pilots flying drones. It's all in-house. We've already been vetted through Shell Aviation. It just streamlines the process where we're able to do everything ourselves.
When it actually came time for our instructors to put our hands on the drone, it was unbelievable just how easy it was even at that time. And even now, taking that huge leap forward to where we're at right now with the M300 coming out, it's a big change, how things have evolved so quickly in that.
The things that we look at, flares, all the steam systems that assist these flare tips are kind of hard to see from ground level, especially in the daytime. So it's very useful to be able to fly up and get an overhead look to know if that pilot's lit, do we have a flame.
The new sensor will save me time as a zoom camera, a 4K camera, and a thermal camera are combined into one camera.
It's very small, meticulous things that you need to get in a shot, and the zoom capabilities, it's unbelievable. We can get right in and see it without putting any personnel in any harm. When we do flights out here, we have all the sensors turned on. We know exactly how far away we are from the equipment, exactly what we're shooting at range-wise, and it makes for a safe and easy flight that way.
By having these drones and all of the technology that comes along with it, it's a huge step in the direction of helping keep people safe. And by using the drones, we're reducing the need to put people at heights. Whatever the case calls for, the drone technology allows us to provide that delivery means.
Very excited about the release of the new drone with the extended flight time. The new sensor, multiple cameras into one, would be very beneficial to us.
It's going to make my life easier, for sure. I'm super excited about that.